Morning, guys. I am headed out to Costco for a mid-month grocery haul. Hi, Charity. I'm going to take Talia with me. She's going to be my helper. I have a few food items that I just need to restock, but then mainly I need some non-food items. I am going to try to find a folding table. I also need a dry erase board and just other random things like that. They had some good deals in the coupons for like some of those Pyrex mixing bowls with the lids. I wanted to get another set of those.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, what you doing down there? You eating a sandwich? Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Hi. Mama makes
Everybody's got to say hi. We're supposed to have a really hot weekend, over 100 for Saturday and Sunday. Today's Saturday. And so I'm trying to get out first thing this morning and get my errands done before it gets too hot. And yes, over 100 is really hot for us. It doesn't happen too often. It's supposed to be like 101 today as a high and then 102 tomorrow, which I know for some people in some parts of the world, that is nothing. But for us, that's a lot. So I'm getting the kids out to play outside this morning before it gets too hot. And then I'm getting my errands done before it gets too hot. Yes, you always love to play outside, but when it's so hot, it's not as fun. Looks like they haven't opened the doors yet, and the line is going all the way over to here. So, but once they open the doors, it should go pretty fast, I think. All right, we made it in. Now, what is it we came here for? Table. All right, it looks like this is the folding table that we need. They changed it a little bit since we got our last ones, but I think it'll work. I wonder if I should put it in my cart now or wait. I'm going to try to put it in now. Well, at least this will make sure everyone stays 6 feet away from us, right? We'll whack them with our table if they come in within 6 feet. Wow, those are pretty. I sure like that color. It's nice. Right, the batteries are on sale. We're going to pick up double A's. There we go. Oh yeah, do you want to go grab another cheese sticks? You guys have eaten up cheese sticks so fast this month. I already need another one. Try one of these. I haven't seen these before. Andouille chicken sausage, and we love those Amy Lou breakfast sausages. We might try this one. Looks pretty good. Yeah. One pack of wings.
Chicken wings?
Yeah, I'll put these down below. Grab one of these.
Ooh, macaroni and cheese.
You can make your own macaroni and cheese with pasta. Quinoa macaroni. Quinoa macaroni. I wonder if that's any good. Of course, they got red lentil pasta too.
Weird.
Here's the bowls I was looking for. I thought they were out of stock, but they're on sale.
We're gonna make pizza with these?
No? You're gonna get that one?
The new one.
So you liked the first one of that series?
Yeah.
I mean, I know you liked the Diary of the Wimpy Kid, but you liked the Awesome Kid one too?
What is that?
I don't think they have it here. They just have the second one because it's new.
So fun.
So here's all the food I got. Not a ton. Chicken wings, pasta, a couple things of the organic Greek yogurt. I've been just mixing in some sour cream in each serving of this since it's only non-fat and I like to have it a little bit more full fat. So that's been working out really well because this is a lot cheaper than other brands. Risa from Risa's Cluttered Kitchen recommended this. I think that's who recommended this. And I decided to grab it. It looked really yummy. Some honey for Renee. That's her favorite thing. This chicken breast was on sale, so I figured I'd grab that for some quick lunches. Bananas, of course. This andouille chicken sausage looked pretty good. We'll try that out. And some string cheese. These are all the non-food items that I was able to pick up. I got my folding table that I wanted. Our homeschool community is not going to be able to meet in as a big community this year, and so individual classes are meeting in homes, and my class is meeting in my home, and I needed one more folding table to make that work, so that's why I grabbed that. I love these bowls. They are super nice. I've had them for a couple years now. That I've got them at Costco. They have them about every year. This year they changed the colors of the lids, which is going to mess me up, but they're still great. So I grabbed one more of those to add to my collection because they were on a good sale. I needed some more hand towels. We were down to just 2 hand towels for the bathroom. So I grabbed another set of these. It only has 2 hand towels, but I figure if we really like them, then I'll grab one more pack of that next time. And then we just needed batteries, and they were on sale too. So the total that I spent today was $178.73. I brought my cold bags to pack stuff in because we are going to run over to the growers outlet and pick up some produce real quick. And like I said, it's a hot day today, so getting this all packed up, and then we're going to head over there. This other little farm near our house was open, and so we decided to stop here instead of the growers outlet, see if we can find everything that we need. It's a cute little farm store. Look at those pretty beets. Too bad nobody in our family likes beets. Those are gorgeous. Yellow plums. Oh, there's some tomatoes. Do you want some tomatoes? Look at those pretty peppers. Those are hazelnuts. Or filberts.
Looks like the acorn shell.
Alright, you want to get apples? Pretty watermelons.
I like peaches, apricot.
We could get some peaches. They have peaches.
Oh, are these flowers painted?
No. They're beautiful local fresh flowers.
I can only smell my hands.
Just picked up a tiny bit of produce to hold us over. Got some nice peaches, some local peaches, also some local tomatoes, and a really nice local cantaloupe. And of course, a bouquet of beautiful flowers. When they're beautiful, colorful flowers for only $3.45 a bunch, we gotta grab one.
They're pretty.